Hello students, very good morning to all of you and welcome to my geography class. In the last class, I was discussed about the different regions of physical divisions of India. What are those? Their first one is northern mountainous region. Second one is northern plain. Third one is Deccan Plateau. Fourth one is the coastal region of India, and fifth one is the islands of India. So already first three I have already discussed. Now in this class I am going to discuss about the coastal region of India. It is also known as coastal plains of India. Where is coastal region of India is located? The coastal region of India is located in the peninsular region of India. We know the southern part of India, which is covered by Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea and Indian Ocean. And this triangular shaped landmass of India is known as peninsular region. So in this peninsular region, coastal region is located. What is coastal region? The region which is connecting by land and water of the sea or ocean. Yes? About coast, there are two words found here. One is called coastline and other is called coastal region. Coastline is a single line only where land and water meeting together, and coastal region, it is an area, broad area, which is related to sea or ocean. But up to which mark we have recognized as a coastal region? You see, at the time of tsunami, at the time of earthquake, at the time of high tide, or at the time of strong storm in the ocean waters are generally bulging out with huge sea wave. Suppose it is the sea, waves are coming in this way. Okay, it is normally connecting point of seawater and land portion. It is known as coastline. Yes, it is known as coastline, where water of the sea and land portion of our earth meeting together. In this region, there is a line created over there, which line is known as coastline. And coastal region means at the time of tsunami, at the time of earthquake, at the time of high tide, and at the time of very dangerous storm, the sea waves are very, very big and they are generally coming towards the land portion this way. But at the normal condition, sea waves can touch this point of the land only. But at the time of tsunami, at the time of high tide, at the time of very strong storm, the waves are going towards the land ocean up to this mark. So, at the normal condition, again the waves are going down to up to this point. So, from here to here, the region is known as coastal region. Clear? What is coastal region and what is coastline? So now, in our country, there is a physical division which is known as coastal region. It is the fourth physical division according to your book. So, now we are going to discuss about the coastal region of India. I have already told you that the coastal region of India is found in the peninsular region of India, where Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea is connected. This triangular shaped peninsular region of India is found in the southern part of India. You see now? It is the triangular shape of India. There is Sri Lanka, you know it? It is Arabian Sea. It is Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal. And it is known as Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. Yes, it is the triangular shaped peninsular region of India. And here is located the coastal region, which is connecting with Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean. Okay? Now, the Indian coastal region is mainly divided into two types. There are two divisions of coastal region found in our country. First one is number one. It is known as East Coast of India because it is located in the eastern side. East Coast of India. And second one is known as what? West Coast of India. So we have two coastal regions in our country. One is called Eastern Coastal Region and other is called Western Coastal Region. Okay? Now, the coastal region is found from Ganga Delta. Here is Ganga River and from deltas here. From here, from Ganga deltas to Cape Comorin of Kanyakumari. This last point of Indian Peninsula is known as Kanyakumari, or you can say Cape Comorin. From Ganga Delta to Cape Comorin, the region is found as an eastern coastal region. Yes, its length is how much? 1,100 kilometers. Length is 1,000 kilometers from Ganga Delta to Cape Comorin. And its wide is how much? Nearly 120 kilometers wide. Length is 1,100 kilometers and wide of the eastern coastal region is 120 kilometer. And average height of the coastal region from the sea level, from the mean sea level, its average height is how much? Not more than 50 meters. These are some important figures. Its length is 1100 kilometer, wide is 120 kilometer, height from mean sea level, it is not more than 50 meter. Okay? Now you see, the eastern coastal region is somewhat wide. That means up to 120 kilometer breadth. Why? Because there is a mountain located here, which is known as Eastern Ghat Mountain. This Eastern Ghat Mountain is not a parallel series of mountain. Not a parallel series of mountain. That means the mountain is not a continuous series of mountain. Parallel continuous series of mountain. It is dissected by different rivers of Deccan Plateau. And due to presence of lots of rivers like Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Penna, Baiga, all these are located in the eastern coastal region. The materials which are carried by this river from this Deccan Plateau, they are always deposited over the coastal region. An action of sea wave is always found here. Due to the action of sea wave and carrying material of different rivers of Deccan Plateau, the coastal region is gradually expanded. That means its width, its breadth is gradually increasing. Okay? Now see another point. There are three important lakes found in this eastern coastal region. What are those lakes? Do you know the lake which is located in Orissa? It is very famous in India. What is it? It is Silka. Silka lake is located here in Orissa, in this region. And another two important lakes are found in the state Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is here in this region. In this region, there are two important lakes which are known as Kolar and Polycot. Kolar and Polycot lake is located here in the state Tamil Nadu. Okay? Now you see the eastern coastal region again divided into subdivisions. That means there are two subdivisions we have found in the eastern coastal region. What are those? They are Coromandel coast and North Sarkar coast. From Ganga Delta to Godavari River. Godavari River is found in the southwestern part of Orissa. From Ganga Delta to Godavari River, the region is known as North Sarkar. North Sarkar coast. And From Godavari river mouth to Cape Comorin, the coastal region is known as Coromandel Coast. From Mahanadi Delta to Cape Comorin, the region is known as Coromandel Coast. Okay? It is about the eastern coastal region. Now come to this western coastal region. Okay? Now come to this western coastal region. Western coastal region is found Gulf of Cambay to Cape Comorin. Its length is nearly 1,500 kilometers. And from sea level, its average height is not more than 50 meters. And wide of this coastal region 10 to 15 kilometers. Okay? Now you see, like the eastern coastal region, the western coastal region has also two subdivisions. That is Konkan Coast and Malawar Coast. Now, from where to where it is called Konkan and from where to where it is called Malawar, you see. From Gulf of Cambay to Mangalore of Goa. Goa is located here. From Gulf of Cambay to Mangalore, it is known as Konkan Coast. And from Mangalore to Cape Comorin, it is known as Malawar Coast. Now you see, the coastal region have lots of differences. You see now, the length of this coastline is longer than the eastern coastal region. And on the other hand, the length is much higher in this western coast. And why? That is breadth. Breadth of the west coast is somewhat less than this eastern coastal region. It is 10 to 15 kilometer wide and it is 120 kilometer wide. Why this coastal region has less wide? It is only because of the coastal region, there is a high mountain which is known as Western Ghat Mountain. It is the highest mountain of Deccan Plateau. It is located in the western coastal region, very near to coastal region. Therefore, breadth of this coastal region is somewhat narrow than this western coastal region. Okay? There are some important questions arising from here. Suppose, where is located Coromandel Coast? Which part of eastern coastal region is known as North Shoka Coast, Coromandel Coast, Konkan Coast, Malawar Coast? They are very important. And another important question is that difference between these two coastal regions. East Coast distinguishes between the coastal region, eastern coastal region and western coastal region. It is also important. Okay? So, this is all about your coastal region of India, which is number 4 physical division of India. Okay. Now, in the next class, I will discuss about the islands of India. It is the last physical division of our India, our country. Okay. So, in the next class, I will discuss about the islands of India. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.